Meet Flic 2, the perfect button.
So what do you do when you wake up? Turn on the lights? Put on some energizing music? Listen to a podcast or the news? Put on some coffee maybe? What if pushing a button could do all of that for you? I could have done all that with my phone or by using my voice. But instead of pulling up my phone and going through different apps or waiting for my voice assistant to wake up,
It's just so much easier to push a button. We love buttons. Meet Flic 2, the perfect button.
you see, we all have routines. We have different routines, but we all have them. Let me explain. Flic can reduce your everyday routines into a simple push of a button. For example, a leaving home button, coffee is ready button in your office, or just a more conveniently placed light switch in your home. But it's not just about the routines. Our first generation Flic has been helping people get creative all over the world with everything from a simple doorbell, a button to notify who's got mail, a push-to-talk button, and a medication tracker that also shares it with your loved ones in case they need to remind you once in a while. But due to the limitations of our current platform, all these amazing features have been isolated from the rest of the community. So we've taken all of our learnings from the past 5 years with over 40 million button pushes and redesigned everything from the ground up to create the perfect smart button. And here's what's new. First off, say hello to the Open Flic platform, where you're no longer limited to the features that we build, but where any feature built by anyone will be made available to the entire community. It's got better range, better battery, it's more durable, it's got a great clip, offers better feedback at a lower price. And thanks to the new open platform, we're also able to introduce multi-app support, meaning you can snooze your morning alarm app while turning on the music in another. We've got some great apps lined up that will integrate Flic throughout the year. We're also launching a new Flic Hub with improved performance and Bluetooth long range, and it's got no microphones.
Amir, did you tell them about HomeKit?
I'm getting there, so we can finally confirm that Apple HomeKit support will be coming out to the Flic Hub later this year. We've been around for a while. We've successfully launched and delivered on 2 campaigns before. We've shipped Flics to every corner of the world, partnered with some of the largest companies out there, so we know what we're doing.
But we are not a big tech company, and that's why we need your support.
We've already started on the tooling, so both Flic 2 and the Flic Hub long range are almost ready for production. With your support, we'll be able to pay for the certifications and create a big enough volume to actually produce the first batch. In return, you'll receive the products first and at a great discount.
If you love buttons like we do, if you want to create and see what you can do with it, or if you want a better light switch, you can make an impact. Back our campaign and help us bring Flic 2 and the Flic Hub long range to life.